Hi folks, I've got a quick electronics tip for you today. I'm working on this project that requires a red and green 5mm LED, but all I've got are these clear white ones. So what you can do is you can add pigment or tint with these types of markers. Let me show you how that's done. Before we start painting one of these LEDs with this marker, I want to scuff each of the sides of this LED so that it's not completely transparent. That's going to allow for better light diffusion, and it's also going to allow for this tint to stick to that plastic a little bit easier. So I have here some 400 grit sandpaper. I'm just going to use this to scuff up the LED like so. And here is a comparison of a scuffed and new LED. Now the easy part. To paint this, I'm just going to apply even coats of this blue color on all 5 sides of the rectangular LED. So I've prepared 5 LEDs which I'll illuminate, and I also have one of the original clear ones as the control. We'll compare all of these together. On the left side I have my poor man's power supply. It's just a buck regulator that's taking the 7.8 volts from the battery pack and putting out 2.8 to drive the LEDs directly. So let's hook these LEDs up and see how well they do with the overhead lights off. And now the same test with the overhead lights on. So there you have it, a really quick way to tint or pigment these 5mm LEDs, especially when you need the color in a hurry and you don't have any on hand. From my vantage point, this looks pretty good and I'm quite happy with the result. One thing to keep in mind is that even though you've changed the color of these LEDs, its forward voltage will remain the same. These LEDs have a 3-volt forward voltage and they will always have that voltage, irrespective of their color. So I hope you enjoyed that quick tip. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you back soon.